To book properties online and make a payment on Vrbo, you can conveniently do so using a credit card, PayPal, or other methods. Start by opening a browser and navigating to vrbo.com, where you will need to log into your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to the home page, where you can enter your desired location in the search bar. Select your check-in and check-out dates, and specify the number of people staying. After clicking the search button, you will be presented with search results. Simply select the property you wish to book and click on it to be taken to the property page. Here, you can review the property details. Then scroll down and click the Book Now button on the right. In the booking section, verify your contact details and the booking amount. And if you agree, click Agree and Continue at the bottom. On the next page, review the rules and policies, including cancellation policies. And once you have done so, scroll down and click Agree and Continue again. On the final page, you can choose your payment method, such as credit card or PayPal. If you select credit card, you will need to enter your name, card number, expiry date, security code, and billing address. Once you have completed this process, click Book Now to finalize your booking, and a confirmation email will be sent to your email address. Alternatively, if you choose to pay with PayPal, you will be redirected to the PayPal website to complete the purchase. By following these steps, you can easily make a payment on Vrbo and complete your booking.